अक्षदीप नाथ एक भारतीय क्रिकेटर हैं जो उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए खेलते हैं और अंडर 19 टीम के उपकप्तान भी थे। उन्होंने एनएनआई स्पोर्ट्स को बताया कि कैसे रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर के साथ आईपीएल में खेलने से उन्हें एक खिलाड़ी के रूप में आगे बढ़ने की मदद मिली। उन्होंने कप्तान विराट कोहली को समझाने के लिए खेल के बारे में उनके दृष्टिकोण के बारे में बताया और सबसे ऊपर उन्होंने विराट को मैदान पर देखकर दबाव में शांत रहने का तरीका सीखा। वे विराट को फिटनेस के एक नए युग की शुरुआत करने का श्रेय देते हैं, जहां प्रत्येक भारतीय क्रिकेटर को एहसास हुआ है कि फिटनेस कितना महत्वपूर्ण है। वे भारत की अंडर 19 क्रिकेट टीम के उप कप्तान थे जिन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 2012 आईसीसी अंडर 19 क्रिकेट विश्व कप जीता था। फरवरी 2017 में उन्हें गुजरात लॉयंस टीम ने 2017 इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग के लिए खरीदा था।
I think playing under Virat Kohli was the best experience of my life, and he's a amazing captain and an amazing player himself. And he gave us a lot of freedom, not just me but everyone. And you get to see how it goes around and how he has managed to become the greatest. Even after being a dominating batsman in the international level, he again took his fitness to another level, and now we all know he is amongst the legends. And if you talk personally, he gave a lot of time to me, and he used to talk to me every time I approached him, and he himself used to tell me a lot of things, be it technical, be it mental. But I think the thing I learned most from him was how to be calm under pressure. It may look that he is very aggressive and all, but his mind is always calm, and he takes the pressure situations as well as anyone I have ever seen. So that calmness inside, it may look to the opposition that he is very aggressive or he is trying to dominate, but he is a really smart cricketer and he knows what he is doing, and I think that's the most important thing. So definitely sharing the dressing room for 2 months from with him and De Villiers and all those players, you get to know a lot of about their preparations, how they go about each and every match, how much they're disciplined from morning till night. Everything is in a certain pattern, and I think that's what legends are made of. As I mentioned, like the consistency or anything related to cricket, when you be with people who are much better than you at doing the same thing, be it any legend of the game, then you get to learn a lot. Even from your failures, you get to learn a lot. And more than the matches is the process, I think, which is more concentrated upon by these players, and the self belief is really high. So I think sharing the dressing room with all the legends, you get to know the insights, you get to know the how they managed when they were your age and how they came across all these hurdles, because all hurdles are same and you get to go through a lot of bad phases as well. But once you share that experience and you are in that situation again, that helps you a lot to recover from that and bounce back even harder. And also, everyone whom I have met, they have just told me to to stick to the process, and which always works, because we try to do a lot of funny things when things are not working for us. But I think if you stick to the same process and just adjust your focus according to the situation, that helps a lot.